So they erased the other part because there's the number of the serial here. God damn it. So I'm gonna do some repairs on this laptop or change the hard drive into something else, which is 1 terabyte hard drive. This one is a very old hard drive. It's 750 gigabytes at 7200 RPMs. It's 4-year-old hard drive. It's this laptop is bleeding memory. That means it might be something wrong with the software or the Windows, because after 1 minute it becomes very slow. Ui! Nasmir Nasi Kanda. Oh, there's a new one here.
Oh, that one?
Oh, there's a new one.
One shifter here.
Huh? Shifter Tesco ah? Oh.
Tesco Taman.
Oh, Tesco's opposite Tesco. It came here. Oh.
No? Where?
Go straight. So this thing here, I'm also considering upgrading the memory from 8 gigabytes DDR3 to 16 gigabytes DDR3. That will cost the same price as a new hard drive. Turn left, turn left, turn left. PC depot. PC depot. Left. Yes.
Along the electrical shop or
Yeah.
turn left.
Front there, turn left. Not here. Go straight.
Electrical.
Facing.
Both of you are confusing me.
Okay. Left here. Left here. Left here.
Left
Yeah.
Electrical.
So it will cost the same price as a hard drive. So this one bought less than 1 year old. This new battery after 4 years. So put this inside.
Where is it?
PC depot there. Is it open? I wonder. So maybe $500. The
yeah.
It's not open yet, so no point.
10 a.m.
Hả? Cái con 10 a.m. Okay, guy.
10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Fucker.
Oh, inside is the 鐵門都冇開到。
Let's go and take a look. 有開嘅，講 everyday 有開嘅，仆佢雞。
Laundry。PC game 啊？可以做俾你啊
I don't know.
Just wait until this solar is cheaper.
No, it's the same.
It's not same ah?
Go to PC Gamer if the engineer is there. I hope the engineer is there because it's always like very late one.
Not engineer. It's a mechanic.
Mechanic? What? Mechanic is for cars and stuff. So they have inventory checking today, so it's not open at 10 a.m. So assholes. Keep singing, right? What a day of days. The day itself they has inventory, I come. What the hell?
All the days you come?
Yep. So I just...
until 12 o'clock meh?
No, I mean it's a fan. Came here again, then have to go back again.
Solar will charge you a lot.
Which one?
PC game 啊
PC Gamer?
費用啊
PC Gamer.
stop 俾到俾你
又未開門啊？
啊
It's not open, of course, afternoon.
返屋企啦
The first, what do you call? The early bird catches the early worm. What's for lunch?
Have you found a place? Then we can go for lunch.
Huh.
You better try to do your bleeding faster because they Hari Raya 嚟幾日你又黐咗㗎啦，你冇得。
I'm gonna do it today, of course.
You can't do it today one.
Why not?
They cannot.
I mean, I'm gonna put it there today. Today is Tuesday, right? 20th of June 2017 is Tuesday. 11:07.
呢個度有寫喎，你講 noon。
Yes, there's a new thing there. Yes, yes.
Noon to 7. I saw 7 p.m.
Now should be second time lucky. We go and go to PC depot.
At Gracie's place, you have nobody to
Talk to.
fool around.
Katubo jibai.
Whole day in and out.
Katubo lanchau jibai.
Lunch and dinner.
So again, katubo means pick up and hum and suck.
Ngao個
Bite katubo.
豬婆嘅閪
Ngao個豬婆嘅閪. Bite the lady pig's vagina. Mother pig's vagina. Katubo.
你都冇牙啦，點咬係咪？叫你咬。
有開門喎。
有 Katubo. Here turn right. They are as old as you are, me. Fossil. Oh, now I can see it. The restaurant is gone already.
Which one?
This one, Belita. This one, Belita gone already. They relocated to some. Pindah ke hadapan TNB. Nah. Oh, it's not Pelita. It's called Nashmere. Pelita is inside Tesco, but it's not in. No more in Tesco, right? I mean, in Tesco used to have a nasi kandar one. Was it Pelita?
Yes.
Wow, it's gonna rain. Oh. Go straight to the main road at the end there, T junction, turn left.
You mean I can't turn somewhere?
Can, but no lah. Yeah, you must belakang masuk apa? Here you can use or buy or make trading cards, not trading cards, name cards here. But I don't have. I have too many name paper. No name card, name paper to distribute, so I cannot buy nice name cards. Phú Thian Ping Wei restaurant Giang Nang Lâu.
Cái gì?
Wow, chi bay, chi bay. Katubo lanchau chi bay, you fucking lorry asshole. Suck my big dick. Suck my big dick.
Thấy người này đi
Jalan Medan.
phi cái này.
Ipoh. PC depot. Second time try. 500 ringgit poorer.
500 are you sure?
Yeah.
I know.
Hey,
So
there's
many
a.
people have come.
Okay.
Because borong mà.
Hah? It's a borong. Semua handphone ni lah.
Tak ada ah. Oh, I go and park somewhere.
Can you like drop me or something?
Yeah. You have heavy thing? I drop you now.
Okay.
I'm going to park there only.
Okay. The petrol will travel. Who's paying the petrol?
Kapal.
Okay, that's why it's complaining.
Not bad. I help you with some money.
Yeah, you always say you help Baba, but you never give money.
Huh? I gave him so much and he never give me back. I gave him few hundreds to spend. For,
Why are you holding the purse strings? Why are you holding the purse strings?
Because I got it from the bank. I got all the money
Every
from
week I giving you $400 extra, remember?
I know. Then
No, auntie.
the other day I gave you some money, but you didn't pay for little something. But money also returned, and then you maybe
Now don't want to talk about money.
Jerry lah.
No, don't talk about money.
Gave some money to Jerry.
I don't have money.
To pay for the bike lah.
Oh yeah, now I remember. Thank you very much. That's why my papa is a poor guy. No money.
You pay for what?
My bike.
His bike. You know from the money?
Yeah.
Uh,
So
if you finish, tell me. I
So
shall
don't say I take
reimburse you.
don't say that I've taken it. Hey,
I shall reimburse you.
don't say that I've taken it for my
If
own
you,
use, huh?
if you, no. I know you pay for things. I'm so fair. I can be a lawyer.
Oh God. So we're in Ipoh Garden East. On the right is Ipoh Garden East restaurant. All straight. Go all the way straight.
正骨水啊，一樣澳門入邊講。
Yes. Because that's what I bought.
Going to Tambun
I
now.
know what I bought, and it's the same price I buy two.
See, you got the. If you have internet access, you can use the. Wait, this is GPS, right? Don't need internet access for the maps to work. But I can see it properly. Why you miscall me, Ami?
Oh, WhatsApp like I call both of you also no answer.
Are you saying
WhatsApp.
that you say asking us whether we are ready or not?
I want to say, give me a call when you are about to.
Because the old ladies inside PC gamer are your.
Couldn't hear.
My.
Was it ringing?
No, because of the old ladies from Belgium, I come in first, then they come in, then I got a headache, then I wait for them. I got a headache now.
我平都聽唔到，你又聽唔到幾耐啊？冇收。Water free can't get free, so I have to phone you to
Here's
TM
a pet
lah.
image, pet shop, boys. Here in the afternoon there's a hot dog stand. I wanted to come here, but
Maybe there's something here for makan.
nope, nothing. Trust me, I know. Taman Ipoh Indah. Oh, coconut. Yep, selling coconut. Coconut seller. Then we'll head to the bridge. There's a river.
Turn right.
Bump.
Restaurant
Yeah.
is soon now.
If I go along the river here, that's where I got my sugar cane.
129
Sugar cane is on the left there because it's a river. Sugar cane loves rivers, so I got it from there.
Yeah, you buy from him.
Yep. There's a steamboat here, steamboat and cafe.
I turn
No, go straight.
Usually when you go to Tambun, I turn and go Tambun.
That does not go to Tambun.
Yes, it does.
Does
Well, it's
I
still
don't
go.
know if this thing does not work. It's,
Tammy's kitchen. 細呢啲唔得法嘅，你呢度唔夠人知道好食。
the stupid thing is getting haywire already. I'm not there, I'm not at the dot. Okay. There's a lot of nice houses here actually. Big houses. Very big.
The prices of houses going down.
Yes
Yes.
Thick,
Auction runs, yeah.
okay, we just overshot it.
Yeah.
If
Then
possible.
they get it at the lowest
Here's a new
new
township or something.
May price there.
That's the lowest
Shit.
Sometimes it's even lower than the selling price.
Lower than the selling price, that's impossible.
When nobody wants
Okay, take the left lah. Let's see what happens.
These are?
Okay.
No.
Your houses here.
Houses again more.
We just overshot it. Supposed to. Okay, you can go back. U-turn also can. This is a new Uplands 2 is called. U-turn if possible. Or not. Oh, there's a tupai there. It's a squirrel. U-turn.
Hey, actually 我哋喺嗰度㗎。
What?
Wait, in the middle of the road, ah.
Bandar Baru Tambun 4. Okay, okay.
呢啲屋好靚下㗎。誒，呢啲屋好靚啊。Those are the houses.
Look at this is a gated community with semi-Ds or bungalows. Very nice.
We haven't overshot.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, Tambun. It's going to Tambun.
We're not going to the main road, you know.
Okay.
I lost already.
Not going to main road. It's around here. Around here. Just facing the main road, right?
That's why I wanted to tell you to U-turn just now, but now you're in the main road already. Now you still have to U-turn back. So, yeah. Okay, okay.
The coffee shop is around here.
Not sure, but you want to go and take a look?
Sure.
Can.
Take a look.
It's called Sun and Sun.
We look out for Sun and Moon.
Sun and Moon? Well, it's not here. It's okay, turn left. This one is Jalan Tambun.
Yeah.
Sure. It's a bit far away from my destination.
Yeah, they trồng嘢，睇到冇？
睇路啊，睇路啊。
呢度冇車嘅，睇到人哋種嘢啦。
Yep, we're going back to whatever we wanted to U-turn to. Just go straight. Sometimes they use Google Maps also, it goes haywire, you don't know where you are. Stupid thing.
$4 per week 啊，劉病有我都愛啊。
I think the offer is gone already, so you have to like get it at the time of offer now. I think it's $8.
Oh,咁貴
a week.
啊！ But you are still paying for.
Of course, I got it.
Okay.
This one I have to look at it like a hawk.
A hawk means?
HWK.
Yeah, what's the meaning?
Look at it like a hawk lah. Look at it all the time lah. Make sure the price, if the price goes down, then go and buy it lah.
Okay.
Right? Right. We have to go back to where we were. Too bad there's no compass here lah, so it'll be easier for me to look at this shit. Go straight. Before the turning, if there's a way to turn right, do take it. Before that turning there, if there is a right turn, go and take it. If there is. Because the road next to it is where we want to go to.
Hey, the small can come out from here.
Is there a turning here? Is there a turning here?
Yeah?
Can? Can
I
turn?
don't know. It's two houses.
Oh, it's a back lane.
Back lane.
So we go there and turn. Yeah, go there and turn right if there is a way, a main road. these are back houses. Turn right here, huh?
There's so many cars coming out from here, huh? Must be like... They are near the dim sum, that means...
Go straight.
Yeah. They are near the dim sum.
What dim sum?
Yeah. You cycle there, huh? Near the river.
Turn right. Yes.
Wow, 3 stories away.
Thấy cô mấy? Nó sẽ đi lấy đủ.
Huh?
I always come here.
English, BM and piano.
Go straight all the way. Wow.
There's no way.
Okay, just go. Oh my god. Shit.
Turning.
Persiaran Bandar Baru 8.
Really?
Hopefully Google Maps is not wrong. But it might be wrong. Shit. Oh, it might be old maps. And suddenly there's a new shop. Oh, houses here. Okay, turn right lah. Turn right.
Taman Perpaduan.
Ferry retreat. For ferries, gay people.
Your shop houses are
Where?
straight.
Oh,
Huh?
try to go there or something. Maybe
Go there.
the road is not where we want to go is not Corporasi. It's something else. It's the stupid book. It's Tambun, Persiaran Tambun. Persiaran Bandar Baru Tambun 16. Persiaran Bandar. You go back there and take a look. Persiaran Bandar Baru Tambun. This is Corporasi already. It's not the place. Okay, go back to main road and turn.
No, you just focus and tell me.
Okay. Hopefully it's not demolished already or something.
I'm lost also.
Corporasi.
What? Apa?
Wait, what road Corporasi 1? Jalan Corporasi 1. Stay is just park here, park here, don't move, don't move.
Okay. Come on, sisig lang.
Next time you want to go to a new place, all of you can go. I just stay in the house.
Where?
Wait, I'm trying to get the internet. Hold this for me. Thank you.
You are still recording, ah?
Of course. Oh, it's 1 minute away. Do you have a compass here?
Yo.
No, your handphone. I don't want to use the handphone.
Huh? What?
Okay, where?
Hey, here's my handphone.
Jalan Corporate 6.
Show me.
Jalan Corporate 6 is here. Yeah, Xion Music is somewhere around there, right? Okay, got it. Okay, main road. Okay, go on the main road. Go south. Where south? South should be that way at the back there. Yeah.
Go on to the main.
Koperasi, Jalan Koperasi.
Apple mango.
Oh, so big houses here. Oh, 3 stories also. Oh my god. Didn't see this before. These houses are big.
Okay.
Turn right. Wow, 4 stories. Oh. Wow, Le Green is called. Never seen this before. Le Green. It's a new one. Wow. Okay. Let's go straight all the way. Oh, school. It's a new is it a new school? Pretty girls. Indian girls. Yeah, no thanks. Let's go straight.
Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Tambun.
Okay.
Where? Straight.
Yeah, go straight. Is number 3. Number 2 here. Oh shit. Yeah, the U-turn.
Where got
U-turn.
where got shops? I didn't see any shop.
喺字後邊啊，
呢度有 shops 啊 I go in and U-turn.
No, nothing there at all.
U-turn 啊
U-turn.
What is this? Perpaduan lor. Perpaduan Indah lor.
Go back
5.
Go back to just now. Just now go there and take a left. Perpaduan Indah 4 that we are looking for. Perpaduan Indah 4.
This is a Perpaduan Indah 5.
4 it should be
Yes.
on the left here, somewhere. So
You don't see any shops, cannot.
it's on the other side, on the left side.
Perpaduan
Indah 1.
Indah 1.
Look for 4. It's a dead end.
Must have chopped up already lah. If I cannot find it.
2 here is here. All cul-de-sacs or dead ends. I guess 3 is there and 4 should be somewhere around up there. Okay, let's just follow this car. Wow. 4, yeah, 4 is here. Oh, yo, follow the car. Follow that car. The car knows where it's going.
Yes sir. Sure.
Yeah.
just now we pass here.
Jalan Perpaduan. Oh, the fella has turned right.
So it's supposed to be on this street. This this street. There should be a shop lot somewhere around here on this street, but all residential. So shit.
Oh, where? Left or right?
Try right lah. Try right. Or either it's a very very long road. This is the road lah. This is the road that we're supposed to be on. Yep, this is the road. Jalan Bandar Baru Tambun. Yep, that's the road that we're supposed to be on. So there's a dead end. Is it a dead end there? Shh. Yep, it's a dead end. So U-turn. At the U-turn.
No.
U-turn.
Better U-turn back to
Ipoh Garden.
U-turn.
Huh?
U-turn back there.
Hey, just now we came here.
Yeah. So it's on, maybe hopefully on the other side, or keep to this road. That.
Yeah, I know. I go back. Simon Yong. Oh, yeah, sick there.
Sik Phong lah.
Yes, we are eating phone. Looking for shop plots. Google Maps might be wrong. Most
Oh, the
likely.
place has gone bust.
So I,
Really chop houses.
我哋翻去㗎啦，冇得食就翻去啦。
By the time they found it, somebody closed down.
we still have Ipoh Garden East restaurant. No problem. We can go there.
Where?
Turn right.
This one?
Yes. Just now we came from here. Go to the end and see any shop plots.
Koperasi 5.
No, Bandar Baru Tambun.
Tambun.
We're going to use this one. We're supposed to be on this
Actually,
road.
Bandar Tambun 好 near 我哋呢度 Taman near Taman Shabas.
Bump.
On our goose chase.
A blind navigator leading a blind driver.
Yeah, I don't see the Kedai at all. God damn it. Stupid Google Maps. Wrong Google Maps already. So I guess, yep, we had to turn right and go back to Ipoh Garden East. God
Where? Turn where?
damn it.
Lost 西喎我哋。
Yeah, no, turn right. The main road is there. Do you have anything to eat in Tambun? What's the dead end here? Yeah, just go there, turn right 咯，翻去 Ipoh Garden East 咯。
唉，當食風啦。
Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it? It's like a new world that we have never explored. 有咩嘢偷？
靚靚咯。
Anything to steal? So there's the nature of all this, like Google Maps, and Google Maps doesn't work well, or the restaurant has gone kaput, or the information is wrong in the book. Can be anything. Ah, the main road is there. Hey, that one's Tambun already lah.
你佢出翻去 main road 度做咩？
That's the main road of Tambun.
Yeah.
So that's the same cemetery there. So you want to go to Ipoh Garden East to or South to eat or whatever?
出翻去Ipoh Garden East 咯。
Ipoh Garden East. Ah, yeah, you go straight before the main road, turn right and right.
新威有嘢去食嘛？
食嗰啲馬來人嗰啲嘢咯。
Either that you want to go Bercham. Bercham is on the left.
See, can we go home this way?
You can't.
Can ah?
Can. Yeah, yeah, can, you can.
Oh, mommy.
嘅幫你講㗎啦。Before you turn anywhere, see
Turn right.
look at behind.
No problem. It was a big, lots of space for the fella.
Apa ini?
Hey, oh, cool the
I
sec.
told you to be.
Cool the sec. Okay, now I know. U-turn,
It's
U-turn.
a Malay fella lah.
We're supposed to go to that road there. Yep, that's the main road to east.
Single story houses so laku loh. Sudah hilang lah, sesat.
Belum.
So I'm turning
Left.
Huh?
The right, you go out to the main road to go to where?
The main road there.
Sunway. You want to go to Sunway?
No, the road. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, good.
Can ah?
Okay, don't know.
This way lah, because the bus came this way.
Okay, up to you. Yep. Go there, turn right. T-junction there, turn right.
2點幾啦，冇嘢食啊。
你講去 East 嗰度食咯。
Wow, that's a nice house.
What we?
Never mind, thank God it's not fast.
Chinese lanterns oh, top, galore.
Okie-dokie. Bump. So this is the Tambun. Sunway Lagoon is somewhere near here. Bump. It's a wild goose chase.
Yeah lah. Should come to Tambun for food lah.
If you don't go, you don't know. You keep on eating bump. Keep on eating the same old thing.
It's better than to eat nothing.
We're not eating nothing. We're going to Ipoh Garden East to eat. No problem. It's a bit late only. Oh, they built something here. It used to be a useless land. This is where I always cycle. This is the place I always cycle to. There's a mosque there. We're heading towards the steamboat shop already.
Uphill lah.
Yes. Bump. And there's a nice little hill there. I always sometimes go around it, or one side of it, not around it. Yeah, this is my favorite place to cycle to. Too bad no pretty girl around here. And on the right is the gated community actually. Go straight all the way. You end up at the Jalan Perajurit. Of course, there's a very steep hill or road that you have to go through or go on to. Bump. Big houses here. On the left is a Malay kampung. You look at the houses are quite big, so they have a lot of money.
So long they won't develop.
What? The houses are so big.
They won't sell the land now.
They renovated it themselves to become bungalows. Most of them. Not all of them, but most of them. It's we Chinese, we have to pay to our asses buying all this shit. Whereas you buy the land, you can renovate at your own will, and it's much cheaper.
You see this bungalow?
This is
so leng.
it's chabuto lah.
Buy they buy really cheap. Now it's worth millions.
You have to pay through your vagina already. So expensive.
You link house again.
I just wanted to go up.
Semi-D.
No.
Semi-D.
Yes.
Semi-D, yeah. Hey, careful
Semi-D.
睇字路啊
Okay, semi-D.
Says yes.
I buy two to become a bungalow.
發夢啊 dream on, dream away.
嗰度都有得食，呢度係 Shabas。
Here there's a tauge ayam, chicken and tauge and bean sprouts. It's some at night. A lot of people come and eat one here, tauge ayam. Not sure why. Must be delicious, hopefully.
So at night only 先至開啦。
Ah. So at last somewhere near chicken and bean sprouts near to our place, instead of going to Canning Garden or Ipoh Old Town
You think this is very near?
or
It's quite far,
Buntung.
no?
Nope. Compared to Canning Garden, compared to it's closest. Closer than Canning Garden.
後邊叫做我哋嘅後邊街。
Yeah, this is at the back of us. Unfortunately, we have to go through that stupid T junction lah. That one dangerous as crazy one. It's around 6 p.m. It's like the death trap. Can die there one. I'm scared. So we can eat anywhere lah. There's a hoisin here restaurant, but the chicken rice not so nice lah. I think.
nice 啦。誒，
But
有唔係仲有賣咩？
my father likes it. Yeah.
有
Don't go for the white rice. It's gonna be bland. So we're returning to Ipoh Garden East restaurant. Not sure what to eat there.
I'll eat Indian rice 咯。
Yeah, got open man in the afternoon.
有。
But my father will eat
Buy another
either
one.
pork noodles no more already. By now it's around
You don't
2:20.
worry about me, I know what
I'm
you
just saying, I'm talking about to the camera. So either you eat curry noodles or something else, who knows. I also don't know what to eat. Can try I can go back to the same store. Yeah, I ate the fried rice. Yeah.
冇話講佢哋
No, I don't want it. I don't want
做
it.
咯。
What? What?
Don't film 啊。
Don't film? Why? If I don't film, then what's the point of my YouTube?
Where? What are you gonna eat?
Yeah, I'm trying to think. Then why are you telling me not to film?
Not the same one lah.
He's got other stuff to show. Because there's nothing else that I can film that actually.
Expecting free.
No, I'm not gonna expect free. I wanted to pay last time. It say offer nice. She says there's what's other things that's good is Wat Tan Hor. So maybe I'll
Oh, yeah.
try the Wat Tan Hor.
And then expect to go.
No, I don't. I never expect for free food. Okay, they offer, then I take it. I can. They're very violent one when you want to pay.
Yes, ah.
So what's the point of trying to give money? Yes, some of them are violent one.
誒，你唔可以攞啊？
我開咗個地。
嚇？